have something weird. We keep calling it the sea creature because it looks like...
It looks like a sea cucumber.
This is a Kiwano Melon. It is spiky.
So
and
beware.
It doesn't feel good on my hand.
He keeps manhandling it.
Yeah. From what I understand, it's got a sweet melony taste,
Yeah.
I've heard.
It's supposed to be like a mix of cucumber and melon.
Alright, we'll find out for ourselves. Oh.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Oh god!
Yeah.
They look like cute little pumpkin seeds.
It's got quite a color on the outside and on the inside.
Where are the spoons?
Oh yeah. You can smell it. They do look like pumpkin seeds.
It's so funny, it's so cute.
Oh dear. Huh.
Sweet. Jeebles, that's uncomfortable to look at.
It does taste like cucumber. Like a sweet, juicy cucumber. Now, I was telling you earlier how I heard that, like, the ones you can buy at supermarkets kind of lack flavor of ones that you can buy where they're grown locally.
Mm-hmm.
And my sense of the sweetness in this is that maybe the flavors and that sweetness can develop more if you were to get them local.
This is so uncomfortable, but I can't stop eating
It's
it.
weird. It's really weird. You're getting
It's like,
deeper into it than I'm able to.
I went into it from like the side and
Oh.
like picked up underneath.
Okay. Oh,
It's
I got
like
it. You have to break the like center. I'm just making a mess.
it's like taking pumpkin seeds out of a
Yeah,
photo.
it's like a pumpkin. This is weird. And it's all seed. It's one of those things where I can tell that the flavor has more potential. And that this is a fruit that wasn't allowed to reach its full potential.
I will still enjoy it though.
Mm-hmm.
Even though it's trying to murder my hand.
It's good. It's mostly, since this is probably a underdeveloped fruit, it is a bit more on the cucumber side of things. It's like a sweet cucumber, that's it.
Yeah.
It is very juicy.
Like all the seeds in the pulp just want to like, woo!
Yeah,
Out of here.
it's super slippery too.
Oh, for something with super slippery on the outside. It's got a really spiky outside.
Mm-hmm.
I keep stabbing my hand every time I go and scrape.
Yeah, because you have to grip it in order to scrape it out.
You know, my hindsight might be 20/20, but maybe if I cut off each of these little spiky nubs and then decided
That article was talking about taking off the spikes.
That's if you're daring to eat the rind. Because you can't eat the rind, but like, you can tell.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat
There's-
this rind though.
Are you sure?
Hard pass. Cut to me eating the rind.
Just the rind.
I'm just like.
crying, just.
So that's a Kiwano melon. It's a weird experience.
I'd say I would do it again, but maybe cut off the spikes next time so I'm not stabbing my hand every time I go in for some fruit.
Yeah. Now
She's
I want
delicious though.
Now I want to try and find one that has a stronger taste, so I can really see what this is capable of, flavor-wise. But yeah, I like it. I feel like I've had this flavor in something else, like in some kind of juice mix. Or maybe it just reminds me of something else. Maybe it's the cucumber adjacent taste.
You know, like tasting it kind of reminds me of like inhaling that Bath and Body Works cucumber melon spray.
What?
Yeah, so they have the cucumber melon spray, and so like when you like when you spray it and then like you accidentally open your mouth and you inhale it that way like an idiot. Like when you're a kid.
Okay.
Like you sprayed it too much and then you're like, oh god, and then you're like, oh god.
Like, has everyone not had this experience? Guys?
I know it was an unusual child, but now you're just making me feel like an idiot. I am so wounded.